welcome to Spelt Training. This is Coach Sam and
Coach Grace.
And today we are going to be showing you how to make some Asian-style turkey lettuce wraps. I did say wraps, and it is healthy. So let's get started.
What do we got? We got carrots, we have some red cabbage, we have some Bibb leaf lettuce. Bibb lettuce leaf.
Say it 3 times fast.
Blah, 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 blah. Some lettuce. Over here, we have some ginger,
Garlic, pepper, coconut aminos, and some ground turkey.
and also just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So you're gonna wanna use just a little bit of olive oil as we're cooking the turkey. So to start, make sure you put 1.5 teaspoons, just kidding.
You cheating.
I did cheat. So we do have a recipe. There's a lot of ingredients. We don't want to give you guys the wrong measurements. So I do have a little cue card here to help us, but just fun fact, just for you guys. So 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan before adding the turkey. We're gonna do half of a pound of lean ground turkey for this recipe. So Sam is cooking that on the stove, getting that nice and brown, just the olive oil and the turkey, that's it. Nothing else is needed to start. Cook that till it gets brown. Make sure to break up the clumps because I know sometimes the ground turkey will get kind of lumpy in there, so we don't want that. We wanna make sure it's nice and cooked and nice and even. So she's cooking that. As she's cooking that, we're gonna cut up some carrots, just cutting up these into small little rounds. You want them in smaller pieces just so that they are easier to eat when they're with the ground turkey mixture. We also have the red cabbage that's pretty thinly sliced. So kind of like you would slice it if you were making coleslaw. So just some smaller slices. I can't talk today. I'm so sorry.
Are you okay today?
I don't know. I'm having some problems, but anyways, we got some carrots here. We have some thinly sliced red cabbage. We have some Bibb leaf lettuce. And then over here,
we have some ground ginger. We have some minced garlic. We have salt, which you probably can't see because it's white on a white plate. And then we have some pepper and the coconut amino acid. Amino acid, it's not amino acid. Coconut aminos.
Just coconut aminos, no acid.
No acid.
In this thing.
Not at all.
So it's 1 teaspoon of each of these, the garlic and the ginger, and then the salt and pepper are just pinched to taste. So you don't have to measure that. You could just kind of put as desired.
So fun fact about the coconut aminos, no acid, is that it is a great and healthy substitute for soy sauce. Soy sauce tends to be a little bit higher in sodium. So this is lower in sodium and it's gluten-free. And it has a little bit of that coconut flavor. So it definitely gives a nice little kick instead of tasting really, really salty foods. But Grace, it looks like the turkey's done? Yes.
Beautiful.
So we're gonna toss in some of these awesome other ingredients.
So we're gonna add in now the ginger, ginger, garlic, salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Go right ahead.
All of them together.
Yum.
And if your meat is super liquidy before you're adding these things in, if you need to drain any excess liquid from the ground turkey, feel free to do so. Ours wasn't super liquidy, so we didn't really have much to drain. But if you do have that extra liquid in the pan, be sure to drain that before adding the spices.
And
just
then
as an FYI.
we are going to grab those carrots and the cabbage. We want to saute it with the turkey so we can get a little bit of a wilt, not too much of a wilt. Take the nice large knife. I'll help you.
Oh, thank you.
It's like some cross action.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Always. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna toss this nicely, keeping everything in the pan, hopefully. That's our goals. And then Grace over there has our Bibb lettuce or Boston lettuce. We use it nice for the cup. It looks so pretty. It's like a little leaf patty.
So some people use lettuce wraps from like romaine lettuce that are longer and skinnier. If you wanted to substitute the romaine lettuce for the actual wrap part, you can do so. These are cute, they're little small wraps, so these make more of like a fun size rather than a adult size, I guess. So you might have a couple of these wraps or one big lettuce wrap. if you're using romaine. So we're gonna lay out our little wraps here. And once we have this turkey mixture mixed nice and together, that will be our little stuffing for our little wraps.
Yes.
How many times can I say little?
Little wraps, little Bibb wraps.
Little turkey and our little carrots and our little wraps. So
I'm not gonna put all of this in the bowl because I do have to put the coconut aminos in here, drizzle that nicely, and then kind of give it a nice little toss before we put it in our little wraps.
our little cups.
Our little
Everything
cups.
is little today.
Miniature.
Small wraps. Small Asian lettuce wraps.
That means small but filling. So don't think because they're tiny that you can have all 6 of them. No, share. Sharing is caring. So you want to put the turkey little mixtures.
I can smell the turkey. It smells so good.
I can smell the coconut amino.
Maybe I'm smelling a
Non-acid.
combination. The turkey and the aminos. They look so good.
It's very colorful.
You could just wrap them up,
Yeah.
grab on either side, and almost messy free.
Almost. But if food's not messy, it's not fun. Especially if you have children and things like that. Food that's fun gives it, especially when you see vegetables. Kids are not like, oh, there goes one. Kids are not like, oh, I don't want that. But when
This is super pretty too. The colors are really vibrant and it's just a beautiful for presentation. If you have guests over for dinner, you could make this as like a fun, you could make it even as an appetizer, just have one as an appetizer.
There's our finished version, and that is your easy
Asian lettuce, turkey lettuce wraps. So we have so many more recipes for you guys. Make sure to check them out because we really enjoy making these recipes for you guys. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, smoothies. We have workouts for you even, breathing. We have it all. So make sure you check it out, subscribe to our channel, and catch our next one.
See you guys in the next one.